Here we are testing out the new microwave smart oven, brand Samsung. At the moment we got some waffles in there. As you can see, the grill, or maybe if I turn the light off you'll be able to see it better. Okay, the grill is really red hot in there. Okay, the only problem is I don't know how to use the child lock. Okay, so the child lock, it works. I've tried it, but the microwave wasn't turned on, but it worked. But now the microwave is on, the microwave oven is on. I'm pressing child lock, and it's not working. Can somebody tell me how to work this child lock? So this is the smart oven by Samsung, microwave grill oven. There you go. Let's see how those turn out. Okay, let's see. See, the grill is well hot. Okay, oops. You can turn them over. Well, I try not to burn myself because that is still hot and the microwave is off, right? Let's close it. So we've now closed it and start. And it's still red hot, as you can see. So this is the 28-liter smart oven by Samsung, microwave. 28 liters is pretty big. It is. I like it. The only thing, I wish I got it in black, because I do like black kitchen I do like things that are black in the kitchen. So yeah, that's the only fault I have with it, the black color, and the gray color, and the child lock, which I'm still trying to figure out how to use. But apart from that, great microwave.